Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to do the Sidra KYC verification and the step-by-step process. So let's get straight into it. This will be a very easy tutorial. You will just have to follow the steps I will show you on the screen. So first open your Sidra Chain app on your phone and then go to the settings button in the top right corner, as you can see here with the wallet, and then you will find this menu. Go to KYC port. After that, you will find yourself on this web page. So go to verify identity now, as you can see here in the middle of the screen. Now once you are here, it will redirect you to this page. So in this case, you can either verify your identity through an appointment in person in real life or on internet. So it depends on your case. Sometimes the internet or the online verification method doesn't work, so you will have to schedule an appointment, and I will show you how to do that. So go to my appointments, view appointments here, and then in the my appointments, in this case, as you can see, there is no appointments because I didn't book one, but you can book a new appointment. So let's click on here. After that, it will show you all the partners or all the places where you can do the appointment in person. So it will show you the closest places to where you live. So let's get back to the webpage. So here, as you can see, there is the identity documents. This is the online method, by the way. So you just have to upload the identity documents. So let's just go on and click on add new document. Here in the document information, you will have to fill out the document type, the nationality, the language, the document ID, etc. I won't go through all the details because I don't think it's necessary. Like, the steps are pretty obvious here. So after that, you will have to follow a few rules. Like the document condition, it must be clean and damaged, not expired. The text should be clearly visible. The image quality should be nice. So you have to take the picture, if possible, with a great camera or great phone. You also have to capture the entire document within the frame, no obstructions, a proper orientation, etc. So these are pretty obvious things to look out for. And then you have to upload your ID documents after reading all these guidelines. Then you will have to take a selfie, so that's the next step, to make sure that the photo on your ID is the same as you have in your life. And that's it. Now you'll just have to wait for the review and you will be verified. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.